If you wake up with stiff, aching joints, you know how frustrating it feels. It is easy to think that your joints are just wearing out. But what if I told you that there is something that you can do every single day to actually reverse that pain naturally? Today, I'll show you 5 simple daily habits that you can do to help your joints move better, feel stronger, and start healing naturally. Start your morning with movement. When you wake up, your joints feel stiff, almost rusty. That stiffness happens because the joint fluid settles overnight, and the longer you stay still, the worse it gets. Many people get to try rest through pain, but that's the exact opposite of what the joints need. The solution: move gently but immediately. Do 5 minutes of range of motion exercises right after waking. Slow knee bends, the ankle cycles, and shoulder rolls. This morning activation wakes up your cartilage, boosts joint lubrication, and reduces pain throughout the day. Think of it as brushing your teeth, but for the joints. Number 2, eat to calm inflammation. What you eat can either feed inflammation or fight it. Highly processed foods like sugar and refined oils trigger inflammation that damages your cartilage. Even painkillers can't fix that because the cause starts inside your cells. To reverse joint pain naturally, focus on anti-inflammatory foods like bright fruits and vegetables, omega-3 rich foods like fish or flaxseed, olive oil instead of cooking oil, and spices like turmeric and ginger. These foods lower inflammatory chemicals in your body, giving your joints a chance to repair themselves. Number 3, strengthen the muscles that protect your joints. Muscles act as shock absorbers for your joints. When they weaken, every step puts more force directly on your cartilage, speeding up the damage. That's why joint pain often gets worse after long periods of sitting or inactivity. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily strengthening your supporting muscles. Now this includes the quadriceps and the hips for the knee osteoarthritis, then shoulders and back for the upper joint pain, then core muscles for stability. Even bodyweight exercises like squats, leg raises, or wall push-ups can make a huge difference. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. Strong muscles means happy joints. Number 4, manage stress and breathe. Chronic stress silently worsens the joint pain. When you are tense, your muscles tighten, blood flow decreases, and inflammation spikes. You may notice your pain flares more on stressful days. That's not a coincidence. Spend 5 minutes daily on deep breathing and mindfulness. Breathe in deeply, hold for 2 seconds, and exhale slowly. These simple acts lowers the stress hormones and reduce pain perception naturally. Your mind and your joints are more connected than you think. End your day with heat and recovery. As night falls, the joints that worked all day can stiffen again. Many people ignore recovery, yet it's when the body heals. End your day with warm compress or gentle stretch routines. Warmth increases circulation, relaxes tight muscles, and helps joint nutrients to reach the damaged tissues. And yes, prioritize sleep. That's when your body releases the growth and repair hormones. So, if you want to reverse joint pain naturally, remember these 5 daily habits. Move every morning, strengthen your muscles, eat anti-inflammatory foods, manage stress, and breathe, then recover every night. Your joints may have been injured, but they are not beyond healing. Give them motion, nutrition, and consistency, and they'll surprise you. Hit that like button so that more people can find hope, healing, and strength again.